Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In JavaScript, a higher order function is any function that either takes one or more function as parameter or return a function. This allows us to abstract logic, create reusable code, and follow functional programming principles. A callback function is a function into another function to be executable later, typically after a task complete or when an event occurs. For example, functions like map, for each, and filter and event listener use callbacks. Which refers to how JavaScript moves declaration to the top of their scope during the compile phase. Function, declaration, and bar are fully hoisted, while a let and constant are hoisted but not initialized in the temporal dead zone. Closures allow a function to access variable from its lexical scope even after that scope has closed. This is widely used in data encapsulation, event handlers, and functional programming patterns. A cookie is a key value pair stored in the user's browser, sent with every HTTP request to the server within the same domain. It's commonly used for session management, personalized like dark mode, tracking user behavior. In web development, we often set cookies using setCookie in headers or through tools like cookie parser in Express. In my blood donation community website, I use cookies to store JOT tokens securely for authentication. This allows users to stay logged in and access protected routes while ensuring tokens are sent only with appropriate request. I use cookie parser in my Express backend and configure secure HTTP only and same site options to prevent XSS and CSRF attacks. The three main primitive data types in TypeScript: string for text, example hello world. Second, number for all types of numbers like integer, floats, etc. Third, boolean for true or false values. These are the built-in blocks of any TypeScript program. In my TypeScript-based backend, I use primitive type like string, number, and boolean to define data models, request validation schemas with JOT, and response type to ensure consistency and avoid runtime errors. An interface in TypeScript is used to define custom types for objects, functions, or classes. It promotes type safety, code readability, and reusability by enforcing consistent shape across the code base. Interfaces are ideal for defining API responses, components props, or database schema in full-stack applications. Thank you.